Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we're continuing on with the R2 build. We got issue 14 right here. We got our parts, not terribly many of them, so probably a short issue. But let's open it up and see what we get. Alright, for this issue we get these parts. We've got another piece of the ring frame and 4 pieces of leg detail. You're also going to need the ring frame piece from issue 13, as well as one of the ring frame connectors, 2 short silver screws, and 2 long black screws. Alright, to begin, we're going to assemble the ring frame, and you want to orient it so that, I don't know if you can see it or not, but we've got some writing on here, and there's some writing on this one as well. So orient it so the writing is facing towards you, and put them together just like this, just like a puzzle piece. Then you can put the connector over there, and we want to screw in from the other side the 2 short silver screws. Alright, there you have it. This piece of the ring frame at least is complete, and we can move on to the leg detail. You'll notice you've got these left and right leg details here. We're going to take the left one first, and if you take a look at the blue ones, you can see, doesn't matter which way you look at them, they also have a lip on the left and the right. We're going to take the one with the lip on the left. So you take this, you flip it over, and here you'll notice that this side is smooth and this side has that indentation, so this side is facing up. We slide that in like this, and we attach it with a long black screw. Alright, once that's done, you repeat those steps with the right side. And there you have it. Leg detail complete. Well, that is it for issue 14. Not terribly much here. A little bit of leg detail, another ring frame. I'm not sure where this is going to go, but kind of excited to find out. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you next time.